for apple. Apple means sheep. B for ball. Ball means gained. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means happy. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grape. Grape means angur. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means sheep. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for owl. Owl means ulu. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means jahaj. Samundri jahaj. T for tiger. Tiger means dog. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means pahari size. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.